Whether you're looking to preserve the architectural value of an old church or provide a more cost-effective solution for a warehouse, beams are up to the task. Our projected beam smoke detector works by transmitting a beam of infrared light across the protected space. A reflector on the opposite side bounces the beam back to the detector. The detector reacts to any obstruction or reduction in the intensity of the infrared beam. In some applications, such as large, high-ceilinged spaces, beam detectors can perform better than traditional spot detectors because they can easily be placed where smoke tends to gather. Smoke fields tend to form in an inverted cone, rarely reaching the ceiling due to stratification. Hot air rises, whether it's generated by sunlight, heaters, or the fire itself. This hot air creates a buffer, preventing the bulk of the smoke from reaching the ceiling, where traditional spot detectors would be.
Units consist of extremely rugged, self-contained stainless steel canisters. These sealed generators contain a solid compound that, when activated, produce an ultrafine cloud of condensed aerosol which chemically extinguishes a fire without any harmful effects. The StatX generators are non-pressurized, easy to install, and virtually maintenance-free. In an electrical switchgear room, StatX units are wired to a central control panel and mounted to the walls of the room. Standalone StatX units with mechanical heat-detecting actuators are also positioned inside electrical cabinets for localized fire protection. An early warning aspirating smoke detector, which continuously draws air through multiple holes in a network of pipe and transports it to a sensitive detection unit, provides early warning of fire or smoke. The aspirating smoke detector is linked to a fire alarm control panel, which triggers visual and audible alarms. A small fire starts inside one of the electrical cabinets, releasing smoke into the room. The rising smoke is drawn into the piping network and quickly detected by the aspirating smoke detector. The detector signals the control panel, which triggers the visual and audible alarms. As the fire continues to grow, the rising temperature inside the cabinet initiates the discharge of a StatX unit. Condensed aerosol chemically interacts with the fire, extinguishing it within seconds, remaining in suspension to prevent reignition of the fire. 10 minutes later, the aerosol cloud is vented out, leaving little or no residue and no peripheral damage. In our second scenario, fire starts inside several cabinets, releasing smoke into the room. The smoke is quickly detected by the aspirating smoke detector, which signals the control panel, which, in turn, triggers the horn and strobe. As the fire continues to grow, this time in several cabinets, StatX units in each of the cabinets are actuated, and thermal switches are triggered, sending a signal to the control panel, which initiates full room fire suppression. A second horn and strobe goes off, giving a 30-second warning of a total flooding event. All the wall-mounted StatX units discharge into the room. The aerosol clouds remain buoyant, reducing the risk of flashover or reignition of the fire. After 10 minutes, the room is vented out, leaving little residue and no toxic or harmful byproducts. Replacing statics generators after discharge is easy, as no pressure cylinders or piping is required. Room operations are able to resume within a short time.